Hi guys, if you want to enable dark mode on Facebook, something like this, then let's see how to do it. For that, first of all, open your Facebook. Now here, tap on this 3 horizontal line. And now tap on this setting icon. Now here, scroll down. And you will see this option, dark mode. Simply tap on it. And here you have to simply turn on the dark mode. So simply turn it on. Once you enable this option, from now on you will be able to use Facebook in the dark mode. So let's check. Go back. And you can see everything is in the dark mode now. Everything is in the dark mode. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily enable dark mode on Facebook. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.